Welcome to the Carnival Kitchen here on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Let us show you today how this works and how much fun it is. Before we start, let's introduce you to the staff who's going to be helping us today. We're getting the chef and all of his wonderful staff over here so we can introduce you to the Sea Lake Journey crew.
Hi, my name is Blessed and I'm from Zimbabwe.
All right.
Hi, my name is Muslin from Zimbabwe also.
What, did y'all know each other before you got on the ship?
No.
Okay.
Are you hometown?
And we're actually roommates right now. Yeah.
Roommates? Oh, great. That's great. Your name and where you're from?
My name is Anthony Gomes. I'm from India, Kolkata.
He's the head chef here too, y'all. Right?
Yeah.
He wasn't sure until we told him.
Barber from Philippines.
Excellent. Yeah. What a great team. What a great team we got here, y'all.
Y'all get together.
Ta-da.
Thank you. You can enjoy your class. Thank you.
So this is where we're going to be right here.
This is our section only because of me. I'm special.
So this is the gluten-free section.
Yes, so my section is not cross-contaminated with the others. And we just have one ingredient that's different than everybody else.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
And don't forget, we had to do what? We had to sign a little paper, a health voucher or something.
Yeah, so you have to sign that you've not had any gastrointestinal illnesses or the flu or cold or anything like that. It's going to be a lot of fun. Go ahead and video our station.
So this is where we'll be. Check out the iPad over here. From there, we'll be able to watch what the chef over there is doing. Make sure we're doing it right. All of our ingredients are here, only one is different from everybody else's. We got aprons, we got pots, we got bowls and pans and a sink. This is going to be exciting.
So we put the ginger.
We put the ginger in.
We put the ginger inside the olive oil.
It smells so good.
After that, as you can see, we have lemongrass and bay leaf herbs also. Yes.
It's the chicken we cooked. It looks good.
This chicken tasted so good, I ate 3 of those pieces myself. Turns out we were only supposed to be tasting them because at the end of this cooking demonstration, we were going to eat what the chef had prepared for us himself. But I ate all of ours, and so I didn't have room to eat any of his.
Okay, so we're trying the chicken now. It's actually sweet.
Yeah, it's really awesomely good, y'all.
I can't describe how sweet it is. It's,
So how is the chicken?
I don't know, cinnamon or
Good.
something?
I have looked up. It's a bit spicy, but trust me, it's wonderful. Yeah. Food at one time.
Here we're cooking our second chicken dish. This one's actually put on a stick made of celery. How about that? And it ended up being really good too. It's a good thing at the end though that Robin here from Sea Lake Journeys was eating hers along the way because the chef's was not gluten-free. So we had all of our own prepared gluten-free. The chef and the helpers were always available to help you if you didn't understand something or you need to know how to do something different. They were right there on top of it. And also, they kept all the dirty dishes away. As soon as you put a dirty dish down, it was gone. There are many different cooking classes that are part of the Carnival Kitchen. We recommend that you book them at home before you leave to get on the ship because most of them were sold out.
That much only. Okay? Because some of us we can eat spicy, some of us we don't eat. Yeah. Please go ahead with the salsa. And ladies and gentlemen, please tell me, how is it?
It's so good.
Anchovy, ginger, garlic, anchovy, soya sauce, and black beans. How is it? Good?
I really like the green bean salad too. We did not put anchovies in our green bean salad, but the sugar and peanuts in the green bean salad, oh, it's so good. We still have to cook the shrimp yet, and he just told us that we're going to get dinner after this. Well, we ate everything that we cooked.
So
Now we're going to
ready?
eat dinner. He says yes, but it's the
Yes.
same meal. It's just all hot.
Okay.
We wanted you to taste it as you went along.
Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Again, and then turn side one.
I don't know what he did with the bowl. I don't know what he did.
Then, we are turning from the industrial. Number 10 first. Number 10. And while marinating it, be careful because this form is very dangerous. This form, be very careful. Okay? Slowly and steadily because this form is very dangerous. Okay? Are you good? Would like to have one glass? Please go ahead. Okay. Your oils are getting hot, so we reduce it. Oil is getting hot, so we reduce it. We'll go to number where it is not working. The one, yes, on the top. You can slide it over the top. Yes. You can slide it over the top. Yes, you can slide it over the top. Okay. So we finish with marinating it. Yes. Okay. So like this. Yes. You look at it like this and you put. Yes. Slowly and steady. Slowly we flip it. Yeah. Slowly we flip it upside down. So, questions are done. We're going to reach out and finish.
We had a great time at the Carnival Kitchen, and we think you will too. So give it a try. on your next cruise on the Mardi Gras, Celebration, or the Jubilee. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
If you would like to
Thanks.
support this channel, please consider becoming a member. Or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.